to Asina and Alex.
In 1,000 feet, turn right, then turn right.
We're on our way to Alex and Kristen and Asina, and we're gonna have a vegan meetup, I guess. So that's gonna be really nice and very excited. And we're late as usual because I got the Brazilian with me. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. It's gonna be so nice with real good healthy food. We're really excited. We have eaten really bad lately, so that's gonna be amazing. Guys, and we had to go back to our little puppy, so we're taking her out now, and then we're gonna shoot some photos. But it was really nice to see like Asina again and everyone again, and to meet Nina and Randa and Bonnie and Tim. That was really fun and nice. As you may have noticed, I have not been uploading anything for like a week or something. And that is because something personal has happened, and I have been pretty like sad, and yeah, obviously I'm not gonna share my like personal life online, but I want to be able to I like to share tips with you and stuff, and I want to kind of explain what is going on in my mind when I'm dealing with something that's not that positive. What I figured out is that in sad situations and frustrating situations, that it's okay to be sad as long as you're positive about the future, and you know it's gonna turn out okay in the end. And that's the mindset I've been having these days. I've been letting myself be. Just a second. I've been letting myself be sad and not doing that much and just relaxing, but at the same time being positive and laugh and smile and do fun stuff. Try to learn something from every situation, especially the tough ones. Those are the ones you're gonna get to know yourself. You're gonna get to know your real friends and see who is there for you and who supports you. It's just good to remind yourself that people that like to see other people fall, people that like to break other people down and bully and just be mean, and people that are not sensitive to others people's emotions, those are the ones that aren't connected to themselves and aren't in a happy place. I've been having a lot of like anger these days and feeling kind of like frustrated towards other people. But I always have in the back of my mind that those are the people that have stuff that they need to work on. Everyone does, but especially people that put themselves over other people. For me, that's the worst quality one can have, to do something bad to others to gain something for themselves. I just think that's really like just disgusting. And I just want to say that if you are being bullied and you are being stepped on and abused and just not being treated with the respect that you deserve, know that it will change, and be positive and stay strong, and we're all in this together. It's not them versus us. All of us in a way or another are bullies and we're being bullied. Of course, some more than others, but let's stick together and let's build each other up and be each other's friends. Maybe you don't feel like you have the bestest friends right now, but they will come. So don't focus on the lack of things. Focus on what you do have.